What's up? It's Mental Check Monday, and I still feel the same way I've been feeling. Like, I don't know. Anyways, I'm just in a, I don't know. Like, I'm just in a weird space, and I don't know. I'm in like isolation mode, and I feel like I don't want to be bothered. I don't want to explain why I don't want to be bothered. I don't want to explain what's wrong with me. I don't want to talk. Like, I just want to sleep, really. You ever been so mentally exhausted that you just want to like sleep your life away? It's like I know I have things that I'm supposed to be doing or that I should be doing, but I just don't have the motivation to do it. Like I'm just so unenthusiastic right now, or like unmotivated, uninspired. Well, I have been reading. I told you guys that previously. I feel like that's kind of helping a little bit to like escape from reality. But I am trying to be patient and trust the journey, trust the process, and just allow myself to be and see what happens, I guess. I'm trying to think if I have any updates. I don't have any updates. I didn't hit any of my goals. Like, I'm just so, like, bro, I didn't hit any of my goals this month. No, not this month, because this month just started. May or June. Like, what was I doing? That's how I know that I've been, like, the D word, which I don't want to claim, but that's how I know, because I'm always at least hitting one or two goals. I haven't hit any of my goals, so now they have to keep. Now the goals from May are going to July because I didn't hit them in May or June, and it's frustrating, but I also have to allow myself grace and compassion and empathy, because my situation right now is not the best. So that plays a significant role in why I haven't achieved the goals that I want to yet. But one moment at a time, that's all we can do. Also, my plants have been dying, and that just really hurts my heart. It just hurts my soul. So I'm like doing a bunch of research on like plant care and maintenance. I don't know. I'm just like sad. I feel like if my plants are dying, like I'm dying. Like I'm a horrible mom because my plants are dying. But there is a bunch of factors that go along with the plants, because the environment that we're in isn't the best. But I don't know. It's like, what do you do? It's like, what? I don't know. Well, I guess that's what we're here for. Like, what do you do? How do you take care of your mind? How do you take care of yourself mentally? Like, what are things that you do to take care of yourself mentally? For me, I would say gym, definitely. Gym. Like, when I don't go to the gym, I'm like even more D word. So, gym, I would say food, skating, being outside, being outdoors in nature, going to the beach, um, spending time with my kids, my family, um, reading, painting, poetry, music, journaling, therapy. I need to go back to therapy. I do. I really do. Because this right here is not my swag. I don't know. I'm not at my full potential. I'm not operating in my full potential. I'm not operating as my higher self. I'm not operating as I know I can. And I don't know why. I mean, I know why, but I don't know why also. It's like frustrating because you don't know, but you do know. It's like this teeter. It's like back and forth, this up and down, and I can't seem to find the balance between the two. And I'm tired. Oh, I got a retwist. Well, it's like 2 weeks old now, but they're still cute. What else? Anyways, see you guys next time. Sorry I'm so like blah today, but that's just how I feel. Like I'm just so like, yeah.